So we finished the installation of the LVP on this floor, and what we're doing now, we're installing the quarter round around this room. As you can see here, it's a 5/8 PVC quarter round. So using this tool for cutting, correct? We are using the multi-angle cutter in order to cut the quarter round in the required angle. So this is the tool we are using. As you can see here, you can put the trim in any angle you want. Very good. So here it's a 45 degrees.
45 is right there in the corner.
Correct.
Yeah. The door is 22 and a half.
In the door is 22 and a half?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what you put 22 and a half.
Like this.
Put it like that, and then you cut it? Okay.
That way the face.
So here's it, 45. If you want to cut 45, you just put it like this.
45.
That's it, that's very
That
good.
was 22 and a half.
So what is this tool called? What do you call to this tool? A cutter? Or a cutter in angle, huh?
Yeah.
So that's the tools. Okay, that's the way it looks. Okay, very good pattern. We are using 2-inch fine nails.